Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent these. These are two almost 20-inch wall LED lights. Now these things are super cool because they actually are battery operated. Got a 4400 milliamp hour battery. It lets them run for about 20 hours continuously. Only takes 4 hours to charge them up. And they're very versatile because you can mount them on the wall using these magnets on the back of these. They come with a magnetic plate that you can put them on there with. It comes with an adhesive back you can put them in, you can screw them in, you can adjust the angles of these once they're on the wall. So lots of different versatility with the actual mounting of these. In addition to that, it's also got several different color variations. So you've got your cool white to your warm whites to an intermediary there that runs a lot of different color temperatures as well as some different brightnesses that you can adjust with the remote as well. So very cool, lots of different options in this bag. I'll kind of open up one of these and kind of show you what all is in the bags. So you've got your mounting hardware, you've got your remote, your instruction guide, an adhesive pad, a back mounting plate, and a different style plate that actually you can even just put to hook on underneath there as well. So again, lots and lots of versatility. Two USB-A to USB-C chargers to charge those up. Again, very cool. Let's go ahead and go out here. I want to show you how I'm going to mount these next to my TV. So I've got my sticky piece here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the wall. We're going to go ahead and put that sticky piece right there on the wall so that way it doesn't put any holes in the wall, because I'm not sure exactly 100% where I want to have the placement. So let's go ahead and do that, get that put on there, and then I've got this metal plate that I'll go ahead and put on the top of that as well. Now that that metal plate is adhered, I can now take my light and simply place it on there where I want to have it. And this is kind of fun because you can actually adjust this to any different angle that you want to have it. So maybe you want to have it at an angle, maybe you want to have it flipped completely upside down. I think just for our effects right now, I'm just going to go ahead and mount that straight like that. Let me go mount the other side and then I'll show you how these are going to work. So I've got my second one I'm going to put over here next to the television on this wall. We're going to go ahead and stick this sticky piece onto the wall over here and then take my mounting metal plate there as well. Now the nice part about these is this actually sticks to any metal surface. If you lived in like a more of a contemporary area and you had some like metal I-beams or anything like that where you didn't even want to drill holes in because you just can't, these would stick to any ferrous surface, any metal surface like that, which is super cool. I'm going to go ahead and mount that on there like that and get that one set up. Now let's go ahead and go back and we'll use the remote and turn on both of these and show you how it's going to light up. So I've got both these mounted next to the television. This one remote actually can go ahead and work with both of those, so we can go ahead and turn them both on. And these things have a lot of different adjustability to them as well. I'm going to go ahead and turn the brightness up on both of these all the way, and we're going to go ahead and set them both to maybe a warm white, so make sure that they're all set exactly the same. So now you've got your perfect setup with your nice mood lighting here for your television, which is super cool. You can set these on a timer to 15 or 30 or a 60-minute timer as well. And you also on this remote have the ability to change that brightness again to either a cool white or a warm white, or it has an intermediary. It's kind of a mid there as well. And you've got like several different settings of brightness, or just turn it off. You also can turn these off using the on and off using the button there as well. When it comes time to recharge these, just simply pull them down and you can use that USB-C to just plug in there. It takes about 4 hours to charge them up. 20 hours of continuous use, but if you're not using them continuous, they would last for days.